people who help us, learning about careers for young children. Every day, many people work hard to keep us safe, healthy and happy. We are going to explore several jobs: doctors, firefighters, police officers, vets, dentists. Which one would you like to be? All of these jobs care about helping others. Doctors. Doctors help us stay healthy. They check our bodies. They listen to our hearts. And they prescribe us medicine to make us better. Doctors work in hospitals. Doctors work online via online consultations. Doctors work in clinics and a local surgery near your home. Doctors work on the phone, sometimes called triage, where they diagnose whether you need to be seen by a doctor or a nurse. Doctors work through the night, out of hours. Doctors are very hardworking and work long hours. Doctors are people who help us by finding out what's making us feel sick, giving us treatment or medicine, helping us grow strong and healthy, and providing routine check-ins and assessments. Firefighters. Firefighters are people who keep everyone safe from fires. They also help for other emergencies, like things getting stuck up trees, like cats, and flooding, and car accidents. They are brave, careful, and work together as a team. Firefighters put out fires when there is a fire. They rush to their station to get in their fire engine. The jaws of life. Firefighters carry around with them a huge tool called the jaws of life. They're a bit like a giant pair of scissors that can cut through metal really easily. And this is why firefighters often go to a car accident, so that they can cut people out of a car crash. Firefighters will often have more than one job, and this is because they are not always required. Fires aren't happening all the time. Their second job needs to be flexible, so that they can reach the fire station if they're needed in a hurry. They have a pager which they carry with them at all times to alert them of an emergency. Firefighters will often go into schools or attend festivals to share with the community the important work they do. Firefighters are people who help us by putting out fires and saving people stuck in fires, rescuing people stuck in cars when there's been an accident, and teaching schools and communities about how to stay safe in a fire. Vets. A vet is someone who makes sick animals better. This is a paid-for service. It is not free. So if your pet is poorly, pet owners have to pay to have their pet seen by a vet. Some pet owners pay for insurance to cover this unexpected cost. A vet can offer advice, give vaccinations and provide routine check-ins. A vet can work with a huge variety of animals, not just pets. Similar to doctors, they can perform routine operations. They work in veterinary clinics, and they also have emergency vets who can be called upon in the middle of the night. Vets are very hardworking and work long hours. Vets are people who help us by making our sick pets better, providing routine checkups, working with a range of animals from pets to zoo animals to those that work on a farm like horses, sheep and cows, and they have to train for 5 to 6 years to become a vet. Police officers. Police officers work hard to keep us safe on the streets and in the world. They help in the middle of a crisis. They're called upon to help steer crowds or to control traffic. There are many different kinds of transport that they can use. They can even drive unmarked police cars. These are police cars which can secretly switch on flashing lights to chase unsuspecting criminals. Police officers can enforce laws and maintain public order within the public community. They respond to emergencies, crimes and accidents, and they investigate incidents and gather evidence. Police officers provide assistance and reassurance to the public. They work with other emergency services to ensure safety. Police are people who help us by keeping the law and order in busy, crowded places, helping in emergencies or chaotic situations, investigating criminal behaviour, looking after the public. They have to have excellent social skills, and keeping calm under pressure, being professional and brave. Dentists. Dentists look after everything to do with our teeth. This is sometimes called our oral health. They diagnose and treat dental problems such as cavities, holes in a tooth, and gum disease, bleeding gums. Dentists perform procedures like fillings, extractions, and root canal surgery. Dentists educate patients on proper dental care, hygiene, and how to brush your teeth and flossing. Dentists advise that we ought to try and brush our teeth twice a day for 2 minutes. Dentists also provide checkups to spot any signs of decay and ensure teeth stay healthy. They take and interpret dental x-rays. Dentists maintain patient records and treatments. Dentists are people who help us by helping us by giving advice on how to look after our teeth, providing routine checkups twice a year, carrying out dental procedures to keep our teeth healthy like fillings and extractions, and taking x-rays to diagnose the problems we may have with our teeth.
Hey, Police Officer Steele here. Please like, share, and subscribe to Early Years Library. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up and tell your friends and family all about our channel? Thanks. Have a nice day, y'all.